Guys, it's 5th June and it's time to celebrate our favorite World Environment Day. So, hello my lovely students. Welcome back to my channel PRATIK e-learning school, where learning is a beautiful journey. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about present perfect tense. Those who haven't seen that video yet, please go and watch that video. So today is World Environment Day. As it is World Environment Day, so we are not going to discuss about tenses. Today we will discuss a topic regarding our environment. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start today's class. So today's topic is, what is the future of our nature? Now tell me, what do you want? Nature or the pollution? Now the choice is yours. If you really want the nature, have you ever thought that, are you showing the gratitude to the nature? Are you giving the exact value to the nature? The answer is not. We are not giving the exact value to the nature. We are not showing the exact value to the nature. Even after getting 3 crucial things from the nature: foods, water, air, these 3 crucial things to maintain our life. Here we are, who have taken it for granted and exploit it. There was a time when people gave the value to the nature, but now we are exploiting our nature to build a modern lifestyle. This is so sorrowful and the saddest reality of this world. As a result, global warming. Not only that, but also we are using AC to decrease the temperature of our house. But instead of using AC, if we plant trees, it will help to decrease the temperature of our environment. Now choice is yours. Which one do you need? Natural things or the artificial things? Now let me tell you, what are the things our nature providing to us. Our forests, our rivers, our oceans, they are providing food to eat, water to maintain the life, and also air to breathe. Even after getting these 3 crucial things, we are not giving the exact value to the nature. We are not giving or showing the exact gratitude to our nature, and this is our fault. We are getting fruits, flowers, veggies from trees, but even after getting, even also we get wood from trees. Even after getting a lot of things from a tree, we are cutting it to build a modern lifestyle. We are wasting water instead of saving it. Do you know, we need water to drink, and also we need water for other essential work of our daily life. But instead of saving water, we are wasting it. One thing is common, that is pollution, pollution and pollution. Remember, nature is an incredible wonder that inspires us. So, give the right value to the nature, show your gratitude to the nature. Thank you.